Well, about 50 million Americans suffer from thyroid disease. And when your thyroid isn't working like it should, your overall health can just head downhill fast. Here to help you overcome this disease from San Diego Functional Medicine, Dr. John Krage. And great to have you here and just to try to help clear up a lot of this misinformation that women may hear all the time.
Hi, Renee. Frankly, thyroid disease is really on the rise, and it's affecting about 35 million of our women. Being the father of 8 children and a mother that is functionally taking care of that group, it's really important to me that she's at 100% of her capacity. The problem with thyroid disease in America is actually getting a lot worse, and our present standard protocols for treating that is really not addressing the underlying cause of that disease. And the underlying cause really affects the biochemical inflammation, hormonal imbalances and conversions of the gland into hormones that can be utilized. And there's also physiological differences that ultimately the hormone replacement therapy that they're presently receiving only makes them feel good for a short period of time, and then what happens, they just start to crash with a multitude of different symptoms. But more importantly, because they're not addressing the underlying cause, the disease gets worse and starts affecting many other systems of the body.
So in a sense, that is why they're ultimately not getting better.
That is correct.
Well, let's talk about the symptoms. And I know if people are, at home watching right now, they're like, oh, I can list them off to you. And they're not fun, they're not pleasant, but people need to know what they are.
Well, just to let you know, the thyroid gland, every cell in your body has a receptor site for thyroid hormones. That's every cell, and therefore when it's not functioning properly, every function in your body is being affected in terms of being able to be vital every day. And so these symptoms that you can get on a daily basis include fatigue. I mean fatigue, chronic fatigue that doesn't even allow you to get out of bed. People have been trying to lose weight for 10, 15 years, and they're even eating good diets, exercising. They're cold all the time. Their hair is falling out. Their eyebrows are falling off. Constipation disorders, digestive disorders, and chronic infections. And this is all related to hypothyroidism.
We want to pop some of those symptoms up on the screen because I know if folks are hearing this right now, maybe they need to see it just kind of written down. If you have, at least 2, 3 of these symptoms, this could really be an indication that you really need to get this looked at.
What's amazing is they usually have most all of them. This disease is really, really difficult. And the hormone replacement therapy, what usually happens is they go in and ask their doctor, why am I still having these symptoms? And they're told, frankly, that their thyroid is normal while they continue to have all these symptoms which are compromising to their relationships, their family, and their life.
So what you do is you have a more natural approach to this. Tell us a little bit about women that have been diagnosed or on medicine and it's not working. How do you come in to help?
Well, frankly, it takes a highly motivated person. This is not a fit for everyone, but those who are really interested in taking control, there are natural procedures that allow us to really deal with the underlying cause, not just with a hormonal imbalance, but why the thyroid is dysfunctioning. And when we deal on that level, which is the inflammatory level, the physiological level, that's where the miracle really happens. But the miracle is really inside of you, because what happens, you take charge of your life, it comes back, and you really have this, the weight comes off, the energy comes up, all of these headaches are going away, and you're going, wow, this really is an amazing thing when you deal with the underlying cause, not just the hormone replacement therapy.
And you have energy to do the holiday shopping. And to read a book. This is an amazing book, Dr. Krage, that you are giving away to some of our viewers. Tell us about why this is so revolutionary.
The treatment protocols that we use, this is a landmark study. This has only come out in the last 2 months. It has over 600 research peer-reviewed papers that are really allowing women now to be empowered to overcome this disease. They are the protocols that we use in our office. And this book will be given to the first 25 callers that are involved here that really want to take action. And they have to be qualified as a part of that, because it really is going to take your effort to get yourself well. But this book will be yours, a free gift from myself, because it will empower you. The value here, though, is as you call in and you're ready to take action, there will be someone there waiting to receive your phone call. If the lines are too busy, please just wait, because my staff will call you right back so that you can get this free gift and have a chance to meet me and really get the proper diagnosis and the proper treatment.
And just to go over again, the folks that would qualify for this, you have to get on the phone and call. women that have already been diagnosed, that are already on thyroid medication, and it's just not working.
That is correct. And frankly, you know, there are 7 different conditions that have to be diagnosed about the thyroid, and one of them really does require hormone replacement, but it's the other 6 that most people have that is allowing those symptoms to continue the way they are and not really improve.
Okay, by the way, did you say 8 children?
8 children.
Holy cow. Could you, wow, your poor wife, how many years was she pregnant?
Well, the answer is about every 2 years. But,
okay.
But the fact is her thyroid is functioning very well.
I guess so.
But it really had to do with her taking control of her life, and because if she didn't, those 8 kids would definitely be compromising to her.
Dr. Krage, pleasure to have you on today.
It's been great to be with you,
Give
Renee.
your wife a big hug for me. Wow, what a trooper.